Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito sa kay PBBM, Philippine President Marcos Jr. Pag-attend ng concert ng Coldplay at using sa kanyang chopper, Junior Slam for using chopper to attend Coldplay's concert. At kasama niya si First Lady Araneta. At Philippine President Marcos Jr. drew plaque on the social media for his use of a president helicopter to attend concert. Ayan, ginamit daw ang ating presidential helicopter para umaten lang ng British rock band na Coldplay sa Manila. At panoorin po natin. Alright, ito ay trending sa buong mundo.
On to the Philippines, where President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has sparked a huge controversy for using presidential chopper in order to attend Coldplay's concert in the capital, Manila. Now, as the row escalated over the usage of the helicopter, the president's security group issued a detailed statement that said that the venue experienced unexpected influx of 40,000 attendees,
Alright, 40,000 attendees nang umattend sa concert dyan sa Bulacan. At ito ay isang nerepaso ng buong Pilipino.
In unforeseen traffic complications. The statement further...
Kasi daw sobrang traffic dyan. At alam nyo naman ang papuntang Bulacan. At super traffic. Ayan. Lalo na sa may kawayan.
Read that the PSG took decision keeping potential threat to the president's security in mind. But President Marcos continues to draw flack on social media platforms. Facebook users criticized the usage of official resources and called it an abuse of power for personal activities. Users questioned the payment of Coldplay's concert tickets as well. Philippines First Lady Liza Marcos has also shared the picture of attending the British rock band's concert at the Philippine Arena.
Alright, napanood po natin at napakinggan. Ito ang latest news dito sa kay PBBM at napuna ng mga sambayanan. Alright, thank you so much sa panonood at pakikinig dito kay Karob Trip, and see us again to the next one. Thank you guys.